Right now we are over here at the Hoover Dam over in outside of Las Vegas, Nevada. We are checking out these sites out here. It is magnificent out here. The Hoover Dam is I think it powers Las Vegas, and it's sitting right over there. We're about to walk over there and check it out. Man, look, nice out here. That massive bridge right there. Let's go check this out. That's okay. Probably. Wow, this is pretty good. Oh, I thought you wanted to go to the elevator.
Number 1?
Yeah. I think this is it right here.
Need some exercise.
Yeah. This is nice. Yeah. Now Lake Mead is over here, and I tried to go fish. Well, I didn't go fishing over there at Lake Mead. If it do, it's some bass over there. It's so far from Las Vegas. But after this, yeah, this is pretty nice out here. All right. A modern civil engineer wonder of the United States, one of the 7 selected by the American Society of Civil Engineers, 1955. And so we're walking the length of the dam. That's the top of that bridge. I think we're gonna cross this street up here and go the opposite way on the other side. I think here, this is the side right here. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, that's it right there.
There's no water too.
Yeah, well, that's what a dam, it blocks the water. Yeah.
This is the end.
That's the end. Wow, we got water down there. I didn't know this part of it right here. But this is on the other side of it. And you got some water all the way at the bottom.
DJ, I go.
Hoover Dam. We're about to head over to the next spot. This is the end of the Hoover Dam. Wow, it's nice out here. You want to come out here in Arizona, Nevada, check out the Hoover Dam. Wow. All right. We got this. We're at the top of the bridge. At the top of the bridge. Big railing.
Oh yeah, that's not a house. That might be where they stay.
It's not bad. Wow, look at that. Pretty magnificent.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right.
We are now at the Grand Canyon West Looks like we gotta take a bus. A shuttle bus over there at the Grand Canyon West. You can take a helicopter. It takes 45 minutes to get out here. Driving is like 2 hours, 2.5 hours to get out here. Right now we're in the line over here. We go out here. It's a bus that's gonna pick us up. Right over here, it's gonna come over here and pick us up and take us over to the Grand Canyon West. Okay, we are out here at the Grand Canyon West. It is pretty impressive. Out here at the Grand Canyon West. That's a skywalk up there. You can't have phones up there. You probably can't go up there. You can't have any phones up there. Phones or GoPros. Yeah. Pretty nice out here. I think you had to get on a bus to go to that. Oh, there it is right there. Here it is, in the middle. I think it's right there. You see it? It's right there. We had one more stop.
Yeah, you gotta stop fucking paying me for these bitches.
One more stop. They're waiting for the bus now. All right. Cool little area. We're going to the next Guano. What do you say? Guano? Guamo? There's the bus. We're gonna miss it. We're gonna miss the bus. Huh? Nah, too many people. Headed over to the next stop. It's a good spot right here. I've seen it on, you can walk out there. Yeah, this is the best one. Yeah. Right, we are over here at Guano. Oh shoot, they let us walk up here like this? Look at that. Woo, you get right to the edge. I'm not gonna go too far. Alright. It's hanging over on the side. Right here. Alright. You don't want to get too close. Wow. That is really deep. That is really deep. Wow. Pretty good.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
$82, that's good. We are walking this way. Yeah, there's another side over here. That's the river? Wow, that is deep. Wow, that is really deep. Good gosh. That is really deep. That is way up here. I know I ain't fishing, but this is amazing. So I gotta make a video about this. And this is a part of the travel vlog, but this is some amazing shots. First time in the Grand Canyon, and it's absolutely beautiful out here. Watch out for falling rocks. Oh, the river just loops around. Underneath. Pretty good. Really, really nice. All right. Very nice.
Oh my gosh.
What is good? You don't want to go up there. All right.
You're funny. Thank you, I appreciate that.
All right. We're here. Ooh.
You got it.
Boy, it's a workout. Let me get some water. Hun. I can't believe it. Wait a minute, hon.
This way. Oh, you coming down?
Yeah, thanks.
You come down, then I'll go up. Sorry, I apologize.
Get some water. Woo.
Ready?
Yep, let's do it.
Pretty high. Here, the highest point. Can't go any higher. Yeah.
You're going? Which way are you going? Oh,
Yeah, just gonna get a
you're
photo
good.
first, yeah.
Okay.
Can I get a selfie from up here?
I'm trying to think which is the best angle I would stand. This would be against the sun. Ice, which angle do you think I should
We
stand?
gotta go
on
this
somewhat
way.
good? I want to look at my back.
You want to
in
get
the
a
sun like
panoramic
this.
up there?
And the sky. Are you guys done?
You coming this way?
I don't know where I'm going.
We will hear
Just
so
trying
after
to get
we
them
go.
out.
Wait, you want to go?
No, because after you guys, then we go.
Okay.
We're waiting.
All right.
What a bomb right there.
Yeah. Oh wow.
Let's sit down and then.
Okay, sit down and go. Let's get a. Right here is good. Ugh. Oh, this is nice. Wow, look at this. Very nice. Woo! Climb the top of that. The highest point back there.
Look where we at.
You just
Up
climbed
here.
it. Pretty nice. All right, we did it. Went to the highest point. So we good now. This is the West Rim Grand Canyon. It's really good shots out here, wide open. We are on the best spot over here in it. And it's awesome out here. Taking a panoramic? Wow, it is nice. We was up there, now we're coming down. You probably gotta go this way, huh? You're going the hard way.
Oh no, there's a slip right here.
Okay. Yeah. Let's get some steps.
I'm going to stand right there. Take me a picture with that background.
Gotcha. All right.
This
Wanna
is
go
so
down?
cool. This is like a stairs. Yeah, you want to take some more picture?
No, we good. Smooth rocks. Really nice.
Oh, I thought you tumbled. All I heard was a little slip and then whoop.
Very nice. Yeah.
Picture.
Voy a botar tu agua, mi amor. Voy a botar tu agua.
Really nice out here. That's it. We had fun out there. If you haven't yet, like and subscribe to the channel. This was a Grand Canyon tour, and we visited the Grand Canyon today. Hey, if you haven't yet, like and subscribe. See you next time.